The RAM 1500 Triple-Honk alert is permanently disabled by connecting a security gateway bypass cable and using the AlfaOBD app to update the body control module. Stepping out of a running truck with the fob causes 3 loud horn blasts, and the standard Uconnect screen cannot disable this. To fix this on 2018 and newer RAM models, you must first bypass the factory security gateway module. This firewall sits behind the radio or under the driver's side dash. Plug your bypass cable directly into this gateway hub to establish two-way communication with the vehicle computers. With the bypass cable connected, plug in a Bluetooth OBD2 adapter. Press the start button twice without touching the brake to enter the run position. Open the AlfaOBD app on your phone and select your RAM 1500 profile. Connect to the body control module and open the Active Diagnostics menu. Scroll down to the Car Configuration Change option. Find the setting labeled Vehicle Configuration 3, Horn on Fob Left in Vehicle, and change its value from Yes to No. Tap Start to execute the update and wait for the confirmation message. Turn off the ignition, unplug your equipment, and let the truck sit for 5 minutes to reset the modules. Start the engine, step out with the key fob, and close the door in total silence.